Well, here we are, folks. One more time. Our Nelsonville Water Department crew, or this is our Utilities Department crew. They're out here fixing one more hole. We have another leak in the pipe. They've got the super sucker out here. This must be the world's biggest vacuum cleaner. And as you can clearly see, it sure does suck up the muck. I know some housewives, and we just love to have a sweeper like that. It sure knows how to make a hole in the ground, unlike the shovel and the broom and the wheelbarrow we had when I was young. But here they have one hell of a hole in the ground. And we got a major pipeline break. Of course, this pipeline runs right through here and right up along that curve and all the way to the end of that street up there. And this is about, I don't know, maybe 25 times they've been here this year. And they patch it. And when they put a patch on it, it pressurizes itself and then it breaks again. Well, as you can see, it's kind of a muddy mess for these guys out here doing this. They get pretty dirty at it. But just like the show of dirty jobs, somebody has to do it. That thing sure can make a hole in the ground. There's our brand new yellow gas line. Gas lines, street lines, sewer lines. Looks to me as though they have to put pipe in it, a fitting, a whole piece of pipe. Of course, you can tell that's a big hole that their super sucker done. You could bury a horse in that hole. You can see there's a massive amount of pipes down in there. And yes, this great big vacuum cleaner right here, there's probably a lot of housewives that'd like to have that. Yeah, they're hunting to hook it up in the garage and to pipe it to every room. I bet that thing set the city back a buck or two. That's a pretty massive piece of equipment right here. Yes, it is. Of course, there's our Nelsonville Utilities Department symbol. That's a Valley Freightliner. And of course we have our new Chevy trucks over here. crane. There's its symbol. Of course, you can see where the water has been running down the street. It's all the way down around the corner, all the way back over that way. Of course, here's some previous water line fixes. Here they are, back hard at it again. Yep, that's one.
You also got that cooler.
Heck of a
Yeah.
vacuum cleaner, I tell you. Now it looks like our hard-working utility workers here are going to miss a football game tonight.
Yeah. That's the cash.
Yeah, that'd be that shiny, bright yellow one down there, wouldn't it? Shiny, bright yellow one. Yeah, don't poke a hole in that one. At least let me put my cigarette out if you do.
I appreciate that.
I would too. Well, folks, there you see it. Our Nelsonville utility crew hard at it again. They got a hole here big enough to bury an elephant in. Of course, right there, that super sucker machine, that's what made the hole. That sure beats a wheelbarrow and a shovel and a broom. But of course, that keeps the laundromat business going pretty good too, if you can see by that shirt right there. All right, folks. They'll have water revived here in no time at all. So we're over and out.